Hello, my friends, and welcome to another educational journey. I appreciate and thank you so much for joining me. Today's topic, the emotional healing of scent, phytotherapy, and intention in skincare. This is a I know, but I don't know category because we do know there's an emotional impact to skincare, but we don't know the depth of it. And that's what we're going to be talking about and learning about in this course. So we know, like I just said, there's an emotional impact from skincare on overall health and beauty. This has been known for quite a while. You see it in a lot of research. The use of botanicals, phytotherapy ingredients, that increases the emotional connection. It's going to be fascinating what we go through and learn about phytotherapeutic ingredients when used in skincare and how they connect to you emotionally. We're going to combine science with the science of smell, with intention and its effect, its powerful effect on emotions and physical healing through your skincare application. So in this course, first of all, we need to define beauty, but we're going to look at beauty from a health perspective. We're going to look at the biology of skincare. The biology of skincare, we'll talk a little bit about the biology and anatomy of skin, but we're really looking at the biology of the skincare formulations themselves. We're going to look at nature, biophilia, and how that works in skincare. And when we talk about biophilia, we're talking about our human connection to nature and natural ingredients. Emotion and intention in skincare, this is powerful. And when it's focused, amazing what this can do to you emotionally and also for your skin. The emotional plant-based skincare. So when I talk about in section 4, nature biophilia of skincare, this is where we connect it to the ingredients that are in your skincare and its impact on you emotionally. The structure of emotion-directed skincare in section 7, this is where we just look at what these formulations would be. So if you're doing DIY, if you're a manufacturer, if you own a spa, if you have clients that you work on their skincare, whatever you're doing, and reason why you're taking this course, this is where you learn how to take all the information and start putting it together into a skincare formula. And then we're going to look at some formulas. We're going to break them down, and I'll explain why I've put certain ingredients in, why I've done certain essential oils, texture, scent, color, all of these things we're going to be talking about. So in this course, or in all of my courses, I will offer in sections 2 to 5 for this one, PDF handouts. You want to read the PDFs because I give so much more information than what I give in this video presentation. And some of the information is a little bit different, being extending what I'm talking about here. So you want to go through those PDF files. Section 2 to 5 also has quizzes. In the quiz, it's to cement important ideas into your head. That's what a quiz is all about, okay? So you're going to get those PDFs and the quizzes in sections 2 to 5. Then join the community. The community is so cool because we get together and we talk about the information that I'm presenting, and I get your input because your input is different than what you're learning, and things that different than what I know. And so when we share this community information, it just makes this course and the impact so much more beneficial for everybody. So let's get on with it.